Ever find yourself out in the real world, like me, needing the attention of people back home? This video can help. Next time you're out and want to get a hold of people at home, just pull out your Alexa app. Drop in or make an announcement. Like this. Alexa, announce, forgot to say bye, back soon, mwah. Forgot to say bye, back soon, mwah. To drop in and start a conversation, just say, Alexa, drop in on the living room. Hi, Mom. Need anything from the store?
Oh, yeah. Eggs, please. Can they be organic, natural, cage-free?
All right, can I? Hey, always going out of my way for her. Oh, yeah.
Oh, and sweetie, fish for dinner would be nice.
Okay. Can't talk, though. I'm underwater.
Oh, pick up something sweet.
Sure. Goodbye, Mother. Whoa! Alexa, announce, back in a few hours, had to make a few extra stops. Try drop-ins and announcements from the grocery store, on the go, or anywhere else outside your home. It's not a real car, but you thought it was.